Good morning. I'm David Camino. For today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I wanted to talk a little bit about the hierarchy of the courts in the state of Maryland. This is a cause for a great deal of confusion among my clients, and it's very important to know if you are going to be before any of the courts. The way the Maryland courts work is there are essentially two what we call trial level courts. Those are courts where the object is to determine facts, apply those facts to law, and come up with a verdict in favor of one party or another. Then there are also two levels of what we call appellate courts. The object of an appellate court is to review the decision of a lower court and make sure that that lower court did not make any errors of law. And this is an important distinction. The appellate courts almost never delve into factual issues. Their job is to determine the law and nothing but the law, and to make sure that the lower courts are complying with the law. So the two trial level courts are what we call the district court, that's the lower trial level court, and the circuit court, that's the higher trial level court. The district court has jurisdiction over, among other things, any civil matter where the amount in dispute is $30,000 or less. The circuit court has jurisdiction over any case in which the amount in dispute is $5,000 or more. Obviously, there's some overlap there, and so there are some cases that could be filed either in the district court or the circuit court. The district court is done exclusively before a judge. There is never a jury in a district court. Circuit courts can be done either before a judge or a jury. Again, once these courts make their decisions, if either party feels like the judge did not comply with the law, that party has the right to appeal that decision and go to a higher court. So if somebody tries a case in the Circuit Court of Maryland and doesn't like the opinion of the judge, that party will then go to what's called the Court of Special Appeals. The party's got a right to an appeal in front of the Court of Special Appeals. If the party does not like the decision by the Court of Special Appeals, the party has the right to ask the Court of Appeals, that's the highest appellate level court in Maryland, to review the case. The Court of Appeals can, but does not have to review the case. That obviously is a very, very brief synopsis of the hierarchy of the courts in Maryland. If you have any question about the courts of Maryland or about any legal matters at all, please feel free to call me.